Don't file your tax return until you know this. Did you know you can increase your tax return by writing off the losses from sports betting? So if you are a sports bettor using Underdog, Caesar Sportsbook, DraftKings, FanDuel, Prize Picks, and whatever other sports betting apps there are out there, you can take those losses and write them off on your tax return. But there are some requirements you need to meet in order to do this. So unless you're a professional gambler, you are allowed to deduct gambling losses to the extent of your gambling winnings. Let's say you gambled throughout the year and you won $10,000. But then when you totaled up all your losses, you had $15,000 worth of losses. So you're only allowed to deduct that $10,000 because you're only allowed to deduct up to the amount of the total winnings. So that extra $5,000, you're not going to be able to write off. In order to deduct gambling losses, you have to itemize your deduction. So you cannot use the standard deduction. And the gambling losses, they're reported on your personal tax return on your Schedule A. So even though you can deduct the losses, you're only really benefiting from a tax perspective if you're itemizing your deduction. So these are things you want to consider. So make sure you keep these things in mind when you're going to run your parlay on Christmas Day. If you are a business owner or a content creator looking for professional tax help, make sure you click the link in my bio to become a client. My name is Ricky, co-founder of Ricky Nicky Accounting Services, and what we do here is we make taxes very easy to figure out. So give us a follow to stay up to date and to get your taxes right.